Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Texas Brew and Barbecue. I am Ty Sherrell, your official backyard ambassador for Recteq. Yeah, we're gonna smoke some cream cheese, because why not? The internet comes up with all kinds of stuff, so why not do this, right? Smoked queso is one of the greatest things that we have ever come across for an appetizer, and now we have smoked cream cheese. Try it before you knock it. You clicked on this for a reason. You're just as curious as I was when I first saw it, so I'm gonna do it. And Boston is gonna videotape me doing this as well, huh, buddy? All right, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna take two different rubs, two different Recteq rubs. I've got the competition rub and I've got the honey rib rub. Did you get a good shot of these rubs? You got them? Okay, so I've got two rubs, so I'm gonna do two different cream cheese dips. There it is, cream cheese dips. All right, super easy. First, you take the freshness seal off of your rub. Yes, sir.
I just got them like 2 times.
You just what?
I just got those things like in 2 times.
You got them 2 times?
Yeah.
Good. Make sure you get good shots of them, okay?
Okay.
All right, take the freshness seal off. We're gonna go with the honey rib rub, and we're gonna go right on top. All right, and the second one. So we made 2 different cream cheese dips with 2 different rubs, the honey rib rub and the Casanova's competition rub. We are gonna put these on the RT700 at 225, and we're gonna let the smoke just get in there. We have that Recteq Ultimate Blend pellet going on, so we're gonna get that smoke flavor in this cream cheese, and then we're gonna show you what happens afterwards. These things are amazing. 225, and I'm gonna let it go for about 2 hours. All right, guys, it has been 2 hours, and those, why are these things so, ugh. It's not too bad. Now that is what smoked cream cheese looks like. Now, I have the honey rib rub on this one, and this one is the Casanova's competition rub. So it's gonna give it a little more spice, a little more heat. This is gonna be a little sweeter. I've got this original roasted chipotle sauce, this raspberry chipotle sauce. I'm gonna put this along top of one of them. So we're gonna put this right across here like so. All right, moment of truth. Let's take a cracker. Oh, look how soft that is. Wow. Wow. That's really, really good. Cream cheese block, Recteq rub, on the Recteq, on the RT700, whatever Recteq you have, at 225 for 2 hours. You can do the raspberry sauce if you want, mix it up. This is really, really good. I gotta do one bite of the competition rub. Look at this. It's like a little marshmallow. It's got this nice crunch on the top, this crust right here from the smoke. It's a little warm. Wow. This is definitely gonna be a crowd pleaser. If you take the queso, you take this smoked cream cheese to a party, this is a great app right here. All right, guys, try this. If you're looking for another quick appetizer that you can do on your Recteq, I highly recommend doing the cream cheese dip. This is really good. All you need is a rub and some cream cheese. You can get this raspberry sauce if you want, put jelly on it. I mean, there's all sorts of things you can do with this. I'm pretty sure, and I'm almost gonna guarantee that this is gonna be a crowd favorite at whatever get together you're at. All right, guys, we will see you in the next video. Cheers.